Hi, welcome back guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use vehicles in Roblox. Maybe you want to use vehicles in Roblox but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you how to use vehicle in Roblox for free. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So, without further ado, let's get started. First you need to do is to open your Roblox application and log into your account. After that, you will be needing to join a server. For this example, I will be joining this server. So I will need to do is to tap on it. And then to continue, you will just need to tap on this play button. And now, you will be needing to wait. And then now, you will be needing to tap on this play button to continue. And now, to use vehicles in Roblox, simply tap on this vehicle button. And then in here, you have options either scooter and many more. For example, I'll be using this car. Another example is tap on this vehicle and tap on the vehicle you want. For example, I want this skateboard. Simply tap on the skateboard and you will see I am now using the skateboard. There you go. If you wanted to know how to use vehicles in Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to use vehicles in Roblox, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.